Bringing customers back is one of the most important things for your shop because they're more apt to buy more. And we got to take that into account because when we put stickers and windows on vehicles or we send out postcards and stuff like that, none of those things get found by the customer. So let's try doing some automated texting, some messages that we can send direct to a customer without doing anything a week in advance. Take a look here because you never know what the situation is going to be when a customer discovers they need to do an oil change. Holy 95 parking lot, why am I here? Jeez.
If you are stuck in a traffic jam on I-95, you better get comfortable. It's gonna be a while.
Oh, what the heck, stupid traffic? What the heck, all that music? I'm so bored. This traffic's gotta move. Oh, jeez. When the heck is my oil change due? How am I supposed to read that dang sticker with it all being faded and falling off? I know the oil change is come due, but when? A text message from JB Automotive, and I'll be darned telling me my oil change is due in a week from today. It says reply with the letter C to confirm my appointment. You betcha. Stupid traffic. Staggerillos is a hoot, isn't he? But I want you to think about this. With all the craziness that's going on and how busy our schedules are, being able to get a message on our phone that wakes us up and lets us know the appointment is coming is probably one of the best things for most of your customers. And remember, if they confirm with the letter C and let you know they're coming, you can pre-order parts for their vehicle and have everything in place so when they show up, get them in and out and get them back on the road.